Hi Shri,
Hi Asin.
congratulations on the launch of Realme Watch S series.
Thank you so much.
Lovely,
Ready for the
man.
game?
Yes bro, let's do it. Here we have it, the Realme Watch S Pro and the Watch S.
Yes.
I can't wait to see what's in the box.
Yeah,
bro.
so this is the Watch S and
Yeah.
this is the Watch S Pro. So let's unbox the Watch S Pro
yes,
first.
bro. Yes, let's do it. Wow, wow, wow.
So there we have it.
There you go.
The Watch S Pro. So if you notice, take a
Yeah.
look at the straps, you'll see how skin friendly
Yes,
it is.
yes.
So we've designed it that way. Also, inside the box, you also get a magnetic charger.
Lovely,
so that's,
man.
That's actually how
No, but I love
you charge it.
the blackout, you know, the way it's done, the finish, the platinum and everything, man.
We
It's really
actually
nice.
did it to make it look premium. So
Right.
just keep your watch on this
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so how we...
and
there
you
you
just
go.
charge magnetically like that.
Wow.
Do you see? It just
Yes,
latched onto
yes,
it. So
yes.
that's how it charges.
I think the Watch S Pro looks fabulous. I really like the steel finish design, brother.
Thanks, Asim. That's also how we designed it to look
Right.
that premium. The Realme Watch S Pro uses high-grade stainless steel, which is actually known for its sturdiness
Right.
and looks classy.
That's great, Shri. I really like the dial. It looks powerful and premium, bro.
And in fact, the Realme Watch S Pro comes with a large 3.5 centimeter
Right.
Super AMOLED touchscreen.
Right.
So the display is actually thinner,
Yeah.
yet the visual is very clear and crisp, and also more colorful. The screen is also covered with Corning Gorilla Glass, which will resist scratches. Why don't you test it out with that knife right there?
Man, let's do it. Let's do it, Shri.
Yes.
Okay, so here we are.
Don't be gentle.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be.
You can try scratching around as well.
Shri, this is amazing and not a single scratch. And I did try to be a little brutal on it.
Yes, I can see.
You know what? I like the black face too.
Right, and
Yeah.
it's actually an always on display. It's a smart always on display.
Right, right.
And earlier, for example, when you used to use a traditional watch, it
Right.
always showed the time, right?
Obviously,
when you look
yeah.
at it, you know the time.
Yes,
When it's on
yeah.
the table,
Right.
you know the time.
Right.
So we wanted to actually bring that ease back,
Yeah.
which is why we've added this smart AOD. So even when kept on a table, on your wrist, the Realme Watch S Pro is always showing you the time. We've also added auto brightness.
Wow.
So if you're in the dark, it's like your glasses, right? If you're in the dark,
Yeah.
it'll automatically adjust the brightness.
Wow.
If you go out in the sun, again, it'll automatically adjust the brightness for you. So the battery usage is also minimal,
Right.
and it's an amazing experience.
That is so needed, you know. These days, you know, you have so many gadgets, but often, you know, you run out of battery. I think
Right.
today battery life is everything today.
Oh, absolutely. When we were in fact designing this watch, we
Right.
made sure there was a big battery inside. So it's a 420 mAh battery inside this thin form factor.
Looks
so it gives
lovely.
you 2 weeks of battery life, 14 days.
Wow.
And also there is a low power consumption chip inside the watch, which makes sure that you get the best battery life. But tell me, I'm really curious.
Yeah.
In the life of a professional fitness lover like you,
Yes,
how
yes.
does a typical day look like?
I usually start my day with some running or cycling, followed by my gym routine. Some days I play cricket, other days I swim, followed by lunch, and then I usually go for a run or a jog in the evening.
That's the exact opposite of what I do. But I know there's a treadmill right here.
Right.
So do you want to go and try it?
Let's do it, bro. Let's
Okay.
do it. Oh, Ashri, let's do it. Hey, look, I can check my heart rate and my blood oxygen level.
Yeah.
Today in COVID-19, we need this, yeah?
Yeah, as you rightly said, it's actually a very important stat.
Yes.
And we wanted to make sure that all our users get it. So the SpO2 monitor or the blood oxygen level monitor is not just in the Watch S Pro,
Yeah.
but it's also there in the Watch S.
You know, I'm very curious now because, you know, I have a very active lifestyle and I walk a lot outside, but my current watch only tracks the distance and calories and doesn't really show where I am, you know, until and unless I carry my phone. So does the Watch S Pro help me with that?
For sure, definitely. We've
Right.
actually designed the Watch S Pro to do that. And you know, going for a run and
Yeah.
keeping a phone in your pocket, it's not necessarily ideal, right?
It's not, yeah.
So that's why we have a built-in GPS that will show your exact location on where all you went for a run.
Right.
And that's just cool path tracking function, right?
Lovely,
Isn't it cool?
Yeah, it is very cool, yeah. Oh, that's great. But hang on a second, I want to check something. It has a cricket mode.
Yeah.
Lovely.
It comes with a cricket mode. It actually comes with 15 different sports modes.
Right, right.
And as we checked earlier, it had heart rate monitor and blood oxygen level monitor.
Yes.
So you have a comprehensive health report for you.
Lovely, lovely, man. That's really awesome because I love cricket. You know what I'm saying? Yes.
I heard you say swimming too, right?
Right, right.
That's our latest addition actually on this watch.
Wow.
With swimming mode, Realme Watches Pro can provide swimmers with real-time monitoring of things like calculated distance, SWOLF index, which is a very important thing for swimmers,
Right.
which can give you the number of strokes, etc., and help you effectively swim better.
Lovely. This is really awesome. Man.
Yeah.
Really awesome,
Yeah.
Shrey. So how about the water resistance performance of the Watch S Pro?
Well, I actually came prepared for that bouncer.
Right.
Why don't you dunk your hand inside this?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay.
Well, actually, we designed that watch
There
with
you
5 ATM water resistance, so it can withstand up to 50 meters. See,
Wow.
it's working.
Yeah, man. That's pretty good. Pretty solid, yeah.
Well, the Watches Pro is actually really great when it comes to performance.
Obviously,
It
yeah.
comes with upgraded dual processors, which makes it very powerful. Also, it comes with smart controls, so it can give you reminders for different things, like the ones that I just got here. And the Watches Pro also comes with 100 plus watch faces.
Wow,
Actually,
that's
I'm going to show you
lovely.
those watch faces. All these different watch faces, you can see, right?
Lovely, lovely.
There are
man.
many, and
Right.
of course, the different colored straps.
Wow, which means I only need one to fit in all my needs.
Yes.
It's really the stylish new Pro.
Yes. So we also have the Watch S for you.
Right.
You could actually enjoy most of the features of the Watch S Pro at just 4,999 on the Watch S.
Wow.
It comes with a 3.3 centimeter auto brightness full touch screen. It also supports heart rate monitor and blood oxygen monitor that, like we talked about earlier.
Lovely.
It has 16 sports modes, and it also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance.
That's awesome, man. You guys are doing really, really well, huh?
Well, also, there's one feature that you might have missed when we were doing all those things.
Right.
You can actually take pictures just by tapping the smartwatch. So you can actually go to
Wow.
this camera icon, do like this, and take
Yeah.
a selfie.
Lovely.
So let's
lovely.
take a selfie.